Hey everyone, welcome to day 18 of our 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying this series, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's a link in the comments section to get the full series in your inbox. Today's prompt focuses on an event that has already happened. Here's our prompt. For the open prompt, write a scene that opens in the aftermath rather than the climax. The central event has already passed, but its presence still shapes the space, the body, and the character's thoughts. Let meaning emerge through what remains: damage, disorder, silence, or restraint. Focus on how the character understands what happened after it's over, when there's nothing left to do but reckon with the consequences. And for our directive prompt, write a scene in which a character methodically restores order after a mishap. Anchor the scene in physical labor, such as cleaning, discarding, rearranging things. Allow each action to carry emotional or psychological weight. End the scene when the space grows still and the character is still left alone with what cannot be undone. When you're finished writing, let us know in the comments section what detail in the aftermath carries the most emotional weight for your character. I'd love to hear all about it, and happy writing, everyone.